Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Hey Siri not working on iPhone in iOS 17.3.1. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on Wi-Fi. On the Wi-Fi page, turn off Wi-Fi. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Method number 2. Restart listen for Hey Siri. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on Siri and search. On the Siri page, turn off listen for Hey Siri. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Tap on continue. Method number 3. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slider to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Method number 4. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone. Tap reset network setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video.